Samo, distinguished participants, ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, good morning. It's my great pleasure to attend the Seventh Ministerial Forum of the East Asian EAS Congress 2021. First of all, on behalf of the Ministry of Natural Resources and State Oceanic Administration, People's Republic of China, I would like to extend my congratulations on the opening of the forum and express my appreciation to the host country, Cambodia, and the PEMSEA Resource Facility for their efforts in overcoming the impact of the pandemic and making this Congress possible. The region of the Eastern Asian Seas is one of the regions in the world with the richest marine biodiversity and the most dynamic marine economic development. A safe and healthy ocean is the most basic public goods and universally beneficial welfare. However, affected by the climate change, human activities, and the pandemic, challenges such as habitat degradation, frequent marine disasters, and slow economic development have kept emerging. It is urgent for us to join forces in addressing them. PEMSEA is an important regional platform for marine cooperation. For more than 2 decades, PEMSEA has contributed greatly to the regional sustainable development and the improvement of countries' capacity in integrated coastal management. China attached great importance to the implementation of the Sustainable Development Strategy for the seas of East Asia. We have made unremitting efforts in boosting green development of the ocean and achieved important outcomes. We have been promoting the implementation of ICM in China and have established 22 demonstration sites along the coasts. The marine ecological conservation red lines are set up, highlighting the bottom line constraints of marine ecological protection. We have been actively promoting marine ecological protection and restoration. In the past 5 years, China has carried out the Blue Bay project and other protection and restoration projects for coastal areas. As a result, 1,200 kilometers of coastal line and 23,000 hectares of coastal wetlands have been rehabilitated. We have been strictly controlling and regulating coastal reclamation activities and strengthen the intensive and economical use of marine space resources. China has introduced a series of regulations to curb illegal reclamation. We have been developing blue and low carbon economy and explore the development of marine ecological economy, marine renewable energy, seawater desalination, marine biomedicine, and other industry are nurtured and expanded. Ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, China has made major arrangements of promoting green development and seeking the harmonious coexistence of man and nature. We will be willing to work hand in hand with countries in the region, upholding the concept of a maritime community with a shared future. We would like to positively develop blue partnership with other countries, thus contributing to the marine sustainable development and the welfare of the people in the region. Firstly, we are committed to implementing sustainable development strategy for the seas of East Asia. China will encourage PEMSEA's development through introducing new concepts, measures, and technologies, and providing more public products so that PEMSEA will upgrade ICM capacities of the countries and support the high-quality development of coastal areas. Secondly, we are committed to creating synergy between countries' development strategy. Acting in the spirit of extensive consolidation, joint contribution, and shared benefits, China will identify areas where our development policies and priorities converge and take the implementation of the UN 2030 agenda for sustainable development as an opportunity to leverage countries' respective strengths. Thirdly, we are committed to regional communication and cooperation at all levels. China will step up exchanges of best practices among the countries. Diversified cooperation means seek practical cooperation projects so that the cooperation with PEMSEA can remain vigorous. China will continue to support PEMSEA as a bridge for the regional cooperation. Finally, I wish the Seventh Ministerial Forum a full success. Thank you.